In this video, I will show you exactly how to set margins and edit your spacing within Adobe Express to ensure your designs look professional and perfectly aligned every single time. Whether you are working on a print project or a digital graphic, keeping your content within safe boundaries is essential for a clean final look. To get started, open your project in the editor and look toward the top navigation panel. You need to click on the File button located in the upper left corner of your screen. This will open up a drop-down menu with several options. From here, you should select the option labeled Bleed and Margins. This is the central hub for controlling how your workspace is framed. Once the menu opens, your first step is to turn on the visual guidelines. You will see a toggle switch next to the phrase Show Margins. Simply click that switch, and you will immediately notice a gray bounding outline appear around the inner edge of your canvas. This line serves as your visual guide, so you know where it is safe to place text or logos. Now that you can see the boundaries, it is time to enter your specific values. You can manually input your desired dimensions for the top, left, bottom, and right sides. Adobe Express allows you to work in inches, millimeters, or pixels, depending